Koopy looking?
No.
No. Where else could she be?
Where else will be?
Where else would be?
I don't know.
Koopy, where's Alana? Where's Sissy, Coop?
Not
Oh, there it goes.
Huh? No. No.
Bird wasn't even there. Don't look down. She went. She got all the way under the table.
There she
You
is.
want me to count? Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2,
You better hurry and hide.
Here, clear her lip.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now don't let on me. 10.
Oh,
Yeah.
Could be. Look at him use this beautiful smirk on his
Where is she?
Dennis, you been watching any baseball?
She's in it.
I've watched the Reds a little. It's hard to get into it.
Yeah, I haven't paid attention to that.
It's really hard to get into it.
No, can I hide again? Yeah.
I was like, you dummy.
I got no ahead. No, I don't trust you. Go count to mommy. No.
Yeah, she's fine.
She went like this.
Well, cover your eyes and count to 10.
I'm putting a blanket over her head.
No, no, no.
Look, I count. I don't. You count to 10 and there's a blanket in the corner. Wait, help her count, mommy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here Marion comes. I'm sorry. I mean, there's only so much. You want to hide now?
Marion.
I tried that and tried to put some over and she freaked.
5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10. Ready or not?
I really don't know if she is the same.
Well, you're not supposed to know.
Where's Marion Grace?
My turn to hide.
You give it
Now
away.
it's mommy. Mommy wants to count with you.
Hey, Marion, come here for Gigi for a minute. Come here and count for me like you did a while ago.
No, I
Can you
don't
count?
with mommy.
What?
You counted all by yourself.
Yeah, no, just count and show Gigi how you know how to count.
No,
Why?
see you. Okay, put her blanket over her head.
She's fine.
Make her close her eyes.
All right, ready? Go. Go ahead and count. Start counting.
Just get behind me.
She has 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 14, 18, 19.
Alright, ready or not, we're ready to come. Here comes the little snake.
Oh my God, he just hit my head so hard.
I saw that.
stars.
Who did?
My
And
eye.
I think he was fine.
Yeah, he didn't care. I thought you were
No, what
right.
I mean is he's a battering ram. He
I
just
know.
keeps on going.
Okay, you hide. You go
I
hide.
didn't even see the moment of it.
No, he bumped. I think he bumped you with kind of the top of his head, his forehead, top of his head.
Oh, it made my eye.
Well, maybe not. He moved his hand so he wouldn't turn it over.
Marion? Marion. Was that necessary?
He got in all by himself.
You got in all by yourself too. All right, get down now. Get down now.
You're gonna have a headache
Your face is
again.
red as a tomato. Get down.
You're gonna have a headache again if you don't quit. Can you stand on your arms, like this part of your arm too,
Coop, don't bite that.
all the way up,
Coop. Coop.
without coming over? I meant.
Done.
Little bitty Cooper James, Cooper James, Cooper James. Little bitty Cooper James, he's a little buddy.
I can do this for forever.
Which part are you talking about? Doing the spins or annoying us? Which one?
All of it. Is there a difference? All right, Lana, you do have cheer tonight, so just simmer down now.
Simmer down.
So
Simmer
what
down.
time do you have cheer?
Simmer down now. Simmer down.
Just to be there at 6.
How long is it?
This one's 6:15 to
8.
8.
To have.
He's so sweet. So last night we put him down without any milk in his sippy cup. He hadn't had a bottle since before he was 1.
Oh wow.
But so he's been having a little bit of milk in his sippy cup while we read and say prayers. And last night, Liv put him to bed, and they read and said prayers, and he just had water. So the last little like remnants of baby are.
Going away.
Oh, there he goes.
Y'all want to come see upstairs?
It's about time
Sure.
you have another baby, Shane.
Nope.
Oh.
I'm running away. People think that's so funny. Like if we ever go out up at the club, especially the manager, he's like, "You ready to have another one?" Because he loves Marion. I said, "Please be quiet. Don't even joke about it. Don't say it."